Scientific thinking is a way of understanding the world using observation, experimentation, and reasoning. It involves forming ideas based on evidence and then testing those ideas to see if they are supported by your investigations. Scientists apply this method across all fields, including in domains such as computing, energy use, and environmental change. This approach is valuable because it relies on evidence and logic to reach conclusions, aiming for clarity and accuracy about complex subjects. Consider how scientific thinking applies in computing, particularly with machine learning. Machine learning algorithms are designed based on theoretical knowledge, but their effectiveness is determined through rigorous testing and real-world observations. Developers start by gathering data, then create models to predict outcomes or recognize patterns. These predictions are continuously tested against new data, refining the process further. If the outcomes don't match expectations, the models are adjusted until they produce the desired results. This iterative process is a practical example of scientific thinking leading to technological advancements. Scientific thinking links closely to sustainability in its role in understanding climate change, optimizing resource use, and developing green technologies. In environmental studies, researchers use scientific thinking to predict how ecosystems respond to different factors, helping to preserve biodiversity. In the context of IT, analogous scientific thinking processes are used to improve energy efficiency and reduce the environmental impact of technology production and waste management. These connections show how scientific thinking serves as a valuable tool for creating a future that respects ecological limits, fosters sustainability, and promotes responsible use of technology. The scientific thinking approach is well illustrated in the field of zero-waste movements. For instance, community-led waste reduction initiatives have grown dramatically over time. Environmental activists and social scientists use behavioral change models to promote package-free shopping habits. Initially, the adoption of these lifestyle changes was quite low. Through scientific thinking, the psychological barriers to sustainable consumption, such as convenience and social norms, were examined in depth. Researchers experimented with new approaches like community repair cafes to improve resource conservation and reduce landfill waste. This approach connects to natural systems where nutrients are continuously recycled, similar to how leaves decompose and feed trees in a forest. Scientific thinking connects to various other social and biological concepts within IT. First, it informs people about the social impacts of technology, such as how digital platforms can create both communities and misinformation. Second, it supports the development of algorithms for processing biological data, aiding in fields like genomics, which can impact healthcare sustainability. Finally, it addresses how human cultural values influence technological choices, which in turn affect environmental outcomes, such as choosing cleaner energy sources over fossil fuels.